But let me show you what I got inside, okay? Since I got this bag for Christmas, I have not changed out of it. So I thought, let me go ahead and do a little what's in my bag. My Coach wallet, very cute, because you're not gonna catch me slipping, okay? My L'Occitane hand cream. This is the best hand cream. I do like the Trader Joe's one, but it's very big and the packaging is just like, this is really the best of the best, but it's expensive. So L'Occitane, come through for your girl, okay? Tower 28. This is in pistachio. This is a very natural looking lip gloss. It actually is very moisturizing. Like, if you don't have chapstick and you have this, you got chapped lips, go, no problem. Put this on, lips healed, pretty natural lips. Love that. Gissu. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I mean, it's giving Gissu. It's giving Gissu. It's giving fancy, okay? It's giving French. Honey infused lip oil. I love this color. It is very sheer, it's a lip oil, so keep that in mind. Hydrating, a very light, milky, beautiful lip color. Beautiful. Another lippy, the YSL Candy Glaze. This is the 02. I love these. These are one of my favorites. Again, there's a theme. Hydrating, juicy lips. Yes. The Ole Hendrickson Bonbon. I don't know why people say this stinks. To me, this smells beautiful. Somebody compared it to the cashmere lotion, and I could see that. But to me, it smells delicious, delicious, hydrating, cute. Yes, please. What else we got in here? My Charlotte Tilbury. This will forever be my baby. Iconic nude. We go hand in hand. This shade, perfect. If you're my skin tone and you never tried this, I will love this down. I bought many of these over the course of the years. The shade, but also it is on the drier side, so it does not move. Iconic for a reason. Rimmel, this is new to me. This is in cappuccino. It is a beautiful cooler tone lip color, creamier. Great price. Love her. Kate Spade, tortoise, apple case, apple, you know. Silk hair tie scrunchie, because healthy hair, all 2026, okay? I have some Coach Waverly. If you're a migraine girly out there, you get migraines, you already know what it is. If not, good for you, because struggling out here, okay? And I usually have a goodie powder in here also, the orange one. If you get headaches, migraine, anything, get you some of those. Chanel mirror, very bougie. We love her. Pricey. Is it worth the money? Is anything really worth the money? I mean, they overcharging us for everything, but I like it. If you have the extra money, it's cute. And that's all the money I got from my Aldi's cart. If you know, you know. And that's it. I love that this bag is so squishy. I love the suede. I actually love this. I think this is called the Waverly.